Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to check serial number in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Where to look for our serial number? Of course, setting menu. So, settings, and all the way down, we have about phone option. Here are all our available information. Serial number is always right here. Same with IMEI numbers. We have dual slot phone, so we have two numbers. That's all. The serial number should be visible right here, and it should match our number on the box. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.